are facing a shock without precedent since the Great Depression. Its economic and social consequences pose policy challenges unlike any we have seen in our lifetimes. Also, inflation rate is a further evidence. Data just released this morning shows inflation rate at 0.3%. This year, April last year, it was 1.7%. We underline that public expenditure and investment are important to support the green and digital transition. Once fiscal policy normalizes, it will be vital to avoid making the mistakes of the past. In the fiscal consolidations of 10 years ago, investment was the first victim. To repeal this approach would be means to sacrifice our long-term priorities. Second remark, the fight against aggressive tax planning again features in our recommendations. And I must say that this is an even clearer priority than in the past. All member states, especially in the recovery situation, must be able to rely on their fair share of tax revenues to implement the fiscal support needed to get through this crisis. Third remark, our European Union is also a union in which the rule of law is of paramount importance, and also on economic grounds. When the rule of law is questioned, it impacts on the business environment and investment climate. Our recommendation this year also clearly highlight, as in previous cases, this issue.